Hi everybody, welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be making pesto cheese stuffed crescent rolls. You're not going to want to miss this one. Well, hey, and welcome back to It's Only Food, and thanks so much for watching. I am Chef John Politte, and if this is your first time watching this channel, or you just want to learn how to make awesome food, or maybe even learn how to start your own cooking channel right here on YouTube, then start right now by clicking on that subscribe button and then hitting that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Well, unfortunately, I lost the footage of the ingredients that I was going to show you, or I didn't record it. What we're using is pesto, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, crescent rolls, and olive oil with a red onion in there. That's all we've got. Simple, quick recipe. All right, well, you clicked on this video to watch me show you how to make pesto cheese stuffed crescent rolls. So let's head down into the kitchen and see how we do it. First thing you want to do, preset your oven, 375. I got a red onion right here. I'm going to use half of it because I have another brilliant idea for another great show. And I am just going to mince this onion. This is just going to add a little crunch to the inside of that with the pesto, and also give it another layer in the flavor profile. All right, we got our dough. I'm just going to pop this open. This always freaks me out. I didn't do it. Oh, there it goes. All right, we get it open. You just take your dough out, first of all. Be careful of the sharp edges on this too. Now we're just gonna unroll all of this until we get the 8 triangles out of here that we want. Okay, well, we can see this is why I'm not a pastry chef, but I'm gonna start with these nonetheless. And what you wanna do is you wanna just spoon a little bit of the pesto right into the top there, or right into the fattest part of the dough. These aren't pretty, but they're going to turn out okay. Take some of your onion, put it right in there. I'm going to go ahead and finish. Oh, well, I'll show you what these look like before I finish the rest of them all off. And you just take some of your mozzarella, place in there as well. And then you're just going to roll them up just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pinch these off a little bit too, but I'm going to go ahead and roll all this stuff up and get them ready. And the next scene you're seeing, we're going to brush them with the olive oil and hit them with the Parmesan. And as you can see, I got a little bit of a mess on my pan. That will not affect anything when these cook. It's just a little bit of aggregate that got onto the pan from the mixing of the ingredients and the rolling of the little crescent rolls. But now all I'm going to do now is I'm going to brush each one of these with a little bit of olive oil, and I'm going to top it with the Parmesan cheese before we throw them into the oven. And then I'm just going to gently brush each one with a little bit of that olive oil, just enough so that the Parmesan will stay adhered to it throughout the cooking process in the oven. All right, and then I'm just going to add a couple strands of the Parmesan. Then we're going to throw them in the oven for 375 degrees. I'm going to start at about 7 minutes. I just want to brown off the crescent roll dough. All right, these just came out of the oven. I'm going to plate them up, make them look pretty, take some awesome photos of them for social media, find some groovy music to lay down on that soundtrack, and then we're going to taste them. All right, well, this is what they look like. I just threw some red peppers on there to give it some color. A little basil right there too if you want to dip it or whatever, but there is inside, as we know. I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera up on a tripod, break one of these in half so you can see what the inside looks like, and then we're gonna eat it. All right, there's the inside of one of those, looks like. Remember, we didn't put a whole lot of pesto in there. That's why I got a little bowl of it with a spoon if you want to add more to it. But it does have the cheese melted in there and on top, and it's very oily. Very, very good. You get that pesto, the bite of the pine nut in there, and the red onion. The crescent roll's got that little bit of sugar in it that brings out the sweetness too. And the cheesiness inside of this is very good. If I would do this over again, I would add more of all the ingredients into it, just so you get more stuff oozing out of it as you eat it. But this is very, very good. Nice snack, nice appetizer. Go ahead and hit that link up there to check out some more of my appetizers. We made basil stuffed crescent rolls with cheese. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. All right, thanks so much for watching. Do not forget to hit that description box below for the 5 links that I have down there for you. The first one is a link to all my e-commerce stores that I have my gourmet seasonings on. The second one is a link to a playlist that I have made of how to make a YouTube cooking channel. The third link is for TubeBuddy, which is a toolkit that you will need in order to make your YouTube cooking channel a success. 4 is a link to my Amazon storefront. Everything I use on this channel is in a storefront there. Click on that link, you'll see everything I use. It is an affiliate link, so I do make a little bit of money on each purchase that is made. And 5 is all my social media links that I have. Don't forget that I have a chef page on Facebook that is also an aggregate site for other creators on YouTube that I like to feature on there. So click on that chef page one and give it a like as well. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Make sure to like this video and this channel. Leave all your comments right down below. And then do me a favor and share this video and this channel with everybody you know. Thanks a lot for watching. We will see you again right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.